VW Polo R7F701402-B mileage correction by Yanhua ACDP2 with Module 34. Hey EV lovers! Welcome to EVpedia, your ultimate hub for electric vehicles. If you're as excited about EVs as we are, hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and drop a comment below. And if you want to help us bring even more amazing content, consider giving us a super thanks. To correct the mileage on a VW Polo R7F701402-B dashboard using the Yanhua Mini ACDP2, you'll need Yanhua Module 34 and the Yanhua R7F701402-B Interface Board. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to set up and use this equipment. Required tools: Yanhua Mini ACDP2 host device, Module 34 for ACDP2, R7F701402-B Interface Board, purchased separately, designed for VW Polo dashboards. Connection steps: 1. Position the interface board. Locate the interface board installation area on the VW Polo instrument panel. Identify the D1 positioning hole on the dashboard. Align the Yanhua R7F701402-B interface board with the instrument's screw fastener holes and D1 positioning points. Press the interface board down securely to ensure it aligns perfectly with the D1 positioning pin on the dashboard. 2. Confirm alignment. Double-check that the interface board's D1 positioning pin is fully aligned with the D1 positioning hole on the dashboard. Mileage correction steps: 1. Access the menu function path. In the ACDP2 interface, navigate to VW NQB IMMO. 2. Select the correct option for the dashboard. Choose one of the following options depending on the type of VW Polo dashboard. Option 1. NQB48 R7F7014XX5A. Option 2. NQB49 R7F7014XX5C. Option 3. NQB4849 ODO. Method 2. R7F7014XX5A/5C. If options 1 and 2 fail, try option 3 to decode, as this method does not require differentiation between 5A and 5C chips. 3. Select ICP ODO mode. Choose ICP ODO mode to proceed with reading and writing the mileage data. 4. Reading and writing the mileage data. Step mode. Use step mode to read the current ODO data and save it as a backup. Auto mode. Switch to auto mode, where the ACDP2 will automatically detect the pin configuration, identify chip information, and prompt you to input the target mileage. Enter the desired mileage value, and the device will write the new mileage data to the dashboard. By following these steps, you'll be able to use the Yanhua Mini ACDP2 to successfully correct the mileage on a VW Polo R7F701402-B dashboard. That's it for today's episode of EVpedia. If you had fun, subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to give us a super thanks to support our channel. Thanks for watching, and stay charged. Until next time, keep it electric.